This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm, and today I'm going to just take you for a little tour of the farm, but today we're also building a deer fence. We're going to install a fence around this property, around the perimeter, to keep deer out. We've had a lot of problems with deer damage here at Highland Hill Farm. But today I'm going to take you on a little drive, and we're going to see if we see some doves, because there's usually a lot of doves on this farm. We're in Fountainville, PA on Route 313, and we allow you to hunt doves. You bring us one post, you can hunt doves for a day. And if you want to bring us a post, you can hunt deer for a day. Now on our deer hunting program, if you shoot a deer, you get 3 extra free days, and if you shoot 2 deer in any part of the season, you get the rest of the season for free and 25 worthless US dollars. So off we go and to see how many doves we see. This is a field of freshly planted Norway spruces. They've been in about 2 years. And we usually rotate from one crop to another. Down the next field we're going to have white pine and some older Norway spruces, and then a block of river birch. These fence posts are 12 foot long. We have them sunk in the ground about 3 feet. Along the road we have nice round posts, but further back in we have other kinds of posts that people have brought us for hunting. These are our river birches. On the other side of the street here is another part of our farm, and we have another farm way down that way a ways, and then another one up in Dublin just about 5 miles north of here. So there's plenty of places to hunt. And these are the white pine, and these are river birches. Incidentally, these river birches will go cheap because we got a lot of them. So if you need a river birch, you know where to get them. These are our green giant arborvitae. They're a real fast arborvitae. And these posts were brought in by hunters. These are locust posts, and they'll last quite a while. The posts don't have to be perfect. They just have to be good quality posts for building a fence. There's a cedar post, locust post. And down along here is usually where we see a lot of doves during the day. There's a bunch of doves in the tree. There's one. There's a bunch. 4 or 5. A little more. Oh, look at them in the trees in there. Another group. A few starlings. There's some wild elderberry down in there, some red twig dogwoods. Oh, look at those doves up here. Plenty of doves. Yeah.
Left or straight?
Go straight. Stay on the mode section. That's it. Yeah, quite a few doves in there. And again, we're back up into some nursery stock, and these are some green giants up in the field. Now this little part of the woods in here usually has a couple deer in it, but I don't think there's any here today. We're going to have it fenced, so it's going to pretty much correct the deer problem. But there will be deer getting in, and once they get in, it's going to be a little difficult for them to get out. Again, if you want to hunt, we do have hunter programs here at Highland Hill Farm in Bucks County. We also have quite a bit of ground for lease in Bradford County, Pennsylvania, where we have about 1,100 acres available. Most of the farms we currently have in New York are leased for the year 2014. We also have some ground available out west in Malta, Montana, Havre, Montana, as well as Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, and Magdalena, New Mexico. So if you want to hunt out west, we do have western ranches that you can also hunt. Again, we're back up into the road area, so that we won't see very many birds, but there are a few birds scattered in here. They do like that lower wet area where there's a lot of feed and water. And so have a good one, and I hope you enjoyed the little tour here today. Thank you.